Okay, as you can tell, spindle sounds beautiful. All axes, XYZ, sound great. We'll bump that feed rate up a bit. That slight humming, I believe that is just the way cover's moving. Servos, bearings, ball screws all sound really good from what I can see. Okay. Right now I am running the chip augers. Those all appear to be running. Just trying to check all the bases right now. I wrote this simple tool change looping program right here. Might take a bit of time because I wrote like M6, tool 1, tool 5, tool 10, tool 20, and then an M99 to loop it back through. So it's going to take a little bit longer. So far that looks pretty smooth. Wish goes into the spindle pretty nice. The door makes a little bit of a thud, but that very well could be normal operation for this size of a machine. Big Tab 50 tooling, goes in there very nice. And that's the thing, I'm telling it a tool change command right away, so the door wants to come down and back up right away. So normally it wouldn't do that, but I'm literally telling it tool, 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 you know. Okay, now we're gonna run it through spindle speeds. So right now I'm starting at S1000. Sounds good. Right there we're at 2000. Okay, we're gonna switch this. I'm gonna go S2000. Put my spindle at 100%. Right there, it changed with the delta Y. You can tell. Now we're at 200% on 2000. So that should be around 4000. We are going to go now S5000. Man, that sounds so good. Okay, now I got it at 200% on 5000. There you go.